Hello everybody, Ali Flores again here with OrlandoVacation.com, where we're going to give you tips and tricks on how to make your Orlando vacation totally awesome. In this episode, we're going to be talking about Insta-worthy photogenic spots at Walt Disney World. What are some of the best Disney World Instagram spots? Glad you asked. Join us as we go over some of the best places at Walt Disney World Resort to get your Insta-worthy shots, or gram-worthy, whatever the cool kids are saying. I don't know, I'm old. And, like I say all the time, make sure you hit subscribe button, hit that bell icon so you can get notified of new and helpful videos for planning your next Orlando vacation. All right, first things first, Magic Kingdom. And we're gonna go ahead and get this one out of the way. Obviously, Cinderella Castle. No photo is more iconic than that one. Some of the best shots can be taken up close to the castle or right on Main Street, USA. Either way, it's definitely gram-worthy. Moving on from Cinderella's Castle, but still right on Main Street, USA, we have the casting agency door. This door is located about halfway up Main Street, USA on the left-hand side. Unfortunately, it is just a facade and it's not the actual casting agency for Disney, but we can all pretend, right? Still, on Main Street, USA, we have our next stop at the Main Street Confectionery. Inside of the confectionery, guests can grab some photos in front of the new candy selfie wall. This new facade features "Who's the sweetest of them all?" at the top. So now everyone can know it's you. Yeah, you. Sweetest. Moving over to Tomorrowland, we're gonna do that today. We've got the already Insta-famous purple wall. I'm wearing purple. The purple wall has already made numbers on social media and has become so popular that it even has official merchandise based on it. Here you can take a picture of your purple wall merch with the purple wall. The purple wall does have two main ends, white on one side, purple on the other, and meeting in the middle, you have these beautiful geometric shapes blending the colors. This single location would be great for 3 different photos. Heading into Fantasyland next, grab some photos in front of the Mad Hatter's Teacups ride, or in it for that matter. The vibrant colors of this ride pops in photos. This is a great spot for day or nighttime photos, but with the lights on at night, we think we might prefer those just a bit more. Nothing says magic like those paper lanterns all lit up. Ooh, speaking of paper lanterns, right down the path, still in Fantasyland, we have the Tangled themed rest stop area. Right on the outside of the restroom, guests can take a photo with the beautiful mural right next to a poster of Hook Hand. And directly across from here, you can snag another photo in front of the map of Neverland, located next to Peter Pan's flight. Honestly, Fantasyland has some great photo opportunities that are definitely Instagram worthy. It's just a matter of finding them. All right, now that we've covered some of the best places in Magic Kingdom, let's move on to Animal Kingdom. Of course, it wouldn't be a trip to Animal Kingdom without a photo in front of the Tree of Life, Animal Kingdom's centerpiece. Guests can take beautiful photos in front of the tree, but we also recommend getting photos up close. There's trails that can take you back toward the tree that can give guests even better photo opportunities. The Tree of Life has over 300 animals carved into it, and getting closer means getting more of that beautiful detail in your shots. Your one photo of the Tree of Life just turned into 20. You're welcome. Also, to It's a Bug's Life, that entire queue is filled with the roots of the tree. Many different animals there. Holy cow, so many photo spots. One of the hands down best places for Instagram-worthy photos at Animal Kingdom is going to be near the Harambe Market in Africa. There are several spots located here that are absolutely perfect photo spots. There's the Mickey mural showing off the words "Fishwa Fellow" on it. Translated from Swahili, this actually means hidden fellow. Guess we found a hidden Mickey. I see what you did there. Next to the Mickey mural, we have a beautiful Lion King mural on one of the backstage gates. Above the mural, it has "Can you feel the love tonight?" written in Swahili. A perfect facade for Lion King fans. I'm one of them. And for your Instagram posts. Still within the Harambe Market, we also have a touching "We Renew Broken Hearts" mural. And honestly, if that's not what Disney does, I don't know what to tell you. Then one of our favorite ones in the Harambe Market, Your Most Beautiful. This empowering mural is actually located in an exit cast members use to go in and out of the main park. But that doesn't stop guests from getting cute shots with the Your Most Beautiful mural. Another great place for those Insta-worthy photos is right inside Pandora. There's plenty of places that would make for a great backdrop, but the best one is probably the Moss Wall, located at the exit of Flight of Passage gift shop. Next, we have Epcot, and of course, the classic Epcot ball known as Spaceship Earth. The Epcot ball makes for a stunning backdrop on photos, daytime or nighttime. If there's an event going on at the park, there's usually added decorations at the front of the park that you can use in your photos as well. Very magical. As everyone already knows, Epcot is home to several countries around the world showcase. These countries all offer beautiful backdrops to photos. At the United Kingdom Pavilion, there's the classic red telephone booths guests can take pictures in. In the Japan Pavilion, there's the beautifully recreated Torii Gate right along the water. In Italy, there's the Neptune Fountain, where guests can pose along the beautiful sculpture of Neptune. It looks just like this. They actually used me for it. Just saying, I don't want to brag. Outside of the World Showcase, Epcot has plenty of beautiful walls guests can snap the perfect photo in front of. In World Discovery by Mission Space, guests can take some beautiful shots by the Rose Gold Wall, featuring various shades of pink and lilac. Located in World Celebration, right outside the exit of Spaceship Earth, are two beautiful walls, the Bubblegum Wall and the Blueberry Wall. Both of these walls have increased in popularity to the point where fans are making merch of these themselves. The Bubblegum Wall features hues of red, pink, and blue, and the Blueberry Wall features shades of blue. These could be easy to miss, so make sure you keep your eyes peeled. Over in World Nature, we have two more walls. The Toothpaste Wall, nicknamed after its swirly blue and green hues, is located next to the entrance of the Coral Reef restaurant. Then we have the Land's Wall Mosaic. This mosaic, located right inside the Land Pavilion, has increasingly grown in popularity. Rightfully so, because this mosaic is absolutely stunning. Featuring beautiful colors and earthy tones, it's no wonder guests are wanting to take photos with it. And last up, we've got Disney's Hollywood Studios. Hollywood Studios is a bit tricky one as far as icons go, because it's not always known for one thing. For this park, we recommend grabbing a photo either in front of the Chinese Theater or in front of the Tower of Terror. Both are known for being the icons of the park. Hollywood Studios has some great facades inside Star Wars Galaxy's Edge. From taking photos with the Millennium Falcon next to Docking Bay Food and Cargo, to photos with the X-Wing plane next to the exit of Rise of the Resistance. Galaxy's Edge offers great options for backdrops, especially for Star Wars fans. If you're wanting something more colorful and eye-catching, Toy Story Land has some great photo opportunities. There's the Incredibles wall, located on the right side of the main entrance of Toy Story Land. This beautiful painted wall offers 3 different photo opportunities in it, each Instagram worthy. Then at the exit of Toy Story Mania, there's actually 2 different walls, perfect for photos. There's the popsicle wall and the checkerboard wall. You could go up to the exit of the ride for these 2, but it might be better just to ride the actual ride. And of course, there's the giant Toy Story Luxo ball, which would make a great backdrop. Or even using Slinky Dog Dash as a backdrop is perfect. There's plenty of perfect photo opportunities throughout the parks. You just need to explore and find them all. If you're looking for more tips and tricks for your next Orlando vacation or need help planning, be sure to check out our website at orlandovacation.com, where we offer the best discounted prices and have a variety of blogs to help you make the most out of your Orlando vacation. All right, thanks again for watching. Andy's coming? Sorry.